Tapi ala roti senang kok.
Amor pasok sa irrigatory.
Roti senang le.
Amor pa.
Today we were protesting here in demand of Roman script. As you well all know that it's been more than 50 years we have been demanding for Roman script to set up question paper in Tripura board examination. We have met several times with the president of Tripura board and also the secretary, as well as we met the special secretary of education department. We have given him the memorandum to solve the issues, but so far till now we have not received seen any development. We have even seek appointment to the secretary, but I don't know what is the reason. The special secretary education department is not willing to even talk to us. So today, as you know, there is assembly. We want the minister should raise the issues of our demand in the assembly. वो लोग जो हम लोग का डिमांड असेंबली में रेज करना चाहिए. मिनिस्टर, यह मिनिस्टर हम लोग का मिनिस्टर है, सब लोग का मिनिस्टर है. चीफ मिनिस्टर इज the minister of for everyone, education minister is minister for everyone, so they should raise the issue of Roman script and it must be solved immediately.